Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or I should say officially part 3 of office wardrobe video. हमने कपड़े decide कर लिए, awesome, we are all set, but makeup is another important thing that you need to focus on because you want to look fresh, you want to look ready, and किसी के पास सुबह 10 मिनट से ज़्यादा नहीं होते हैं to get ready. I know this for a fact. That's why here I am to help you create a simple look that will make you office ready. Without wasting any further time, let's jump into the video. We're gonna start with the moisturizer. I'm using the e.l.f. moisturizer. So my skin is actually really sensitive. Like you can see, I have some acne spots. So मुझे थोड़ी सी research करनी पड़ती है to find a moisturizer. But the purpose is, you know, you need to moisturize your face really well. Like wash your face and then moisturize it really well. Because you will see कि हम इसमें makeup कम use करेंगे, but we want to make sure कि हमारी skin is hydrated and looks fresh and clean throughout the day. After moisturizer, I usually use another moisturizer which also has SPF. This is just to give some extra hydration. If you want, you can skip this step because इसके बाद I am gonna apply a proper sunscreen. So I just use this as an extra step, but if you want, you can totally skip this one. Third and the most important step, which I would strongly suggest not to miss, is a proper sunscreen. This is from the brand Vichy. Sorry, I just lost the cap. This is SPF 60 plus. This is a really good sunscreen. Like you can see how runny this is. I know, like nobody likes sunscreen that leaves white cast and, you know, is heavy on skin. So this one is really good. Like it's so lightweight, does not leave any white cast and provides so much hydration. Let's move on to the base. So generally what I do is I use my skin tone concealer to hide my dark spots and everything, but unfortunately अभी मेरा वो concealer खत्म हो चुका है. So the other option that I use is, you know, an orange color corrector. So I just take a little bit amount because under eyes मेरी थोड़ी सी dark है, so I cannot just use a light color concealer. So I just take this and इसको you can just blend this out. You can use a beauty blender, but मैं हाथ से भी कर लेती हूँ because obviously again सुबह किसके पास इतना टाइम है to use brushes, beauty blenders, all for all these steps. मतलब जहाँ करना है वहाँ तो करना है, but जहाँ avoid हो सकता है I usually do. Next step is like one of my favorite concealers, Maybelline concealer. This is in the shade 025 medium. So ये थोड़ा सा light है मेरी skin tone के हिसाब से. That's why I prefer कि मैं कोई dark color का concealer लगाऊँ फिर ये लगाऊँ. But since like I mentioned मेरे पास वो नहीं है, so I used a color corrector, and now I will use this anywhere I need. If you are someone जिसको full coverage चाहिए, तो I would suggest use a little bit of foundation, but not a lot, especially for office. Honestly, अच्छा नहीं लगता है. So yeah, बस मैं इतना ही कंसीलर लगाऊंगी. सॉरी, मैं बस इतना ही कंसीलर लगाऊंगी और पूरे फेस पे I just spread it out. What I do is मैं अंडर आई के कंसीलर को सबसे बाद में ब्लेंड करती हूँ, so that वो वहाँ पे थोड़ी देर बैठे and, you know, skin में absorb हुए. You would see, like if you would follow this trick, you will actually feel the difference. So let's just blend this out. The next thing that I'm gonna use is blush. हर लड़की का favorite makeup product. So I usually use a liquid blush, and I am using Rare Beauty in the shade Hope. Rare Beauty blushes are so pigmented, so nice, so hydrating. Like I cannot stress enough. So I just love this. And ये छोटी सी bottle है, you would think ये जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगी, but this lasts really long. Like आई यूज़ इट लाइक एवरी सेकेंड डे और मेरे पास आई थिंक ये 1 साल से भी ज़्यादा से होगा एंड स्टिल देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट दैट इज़ लेफ्ट. सो या अगर आपको ज़्यादा कवरेज चाहिए सो यूज़ इट विद योर blend it with your hands, but I don't want to mess it up, so वैसे भी टाइम नहीं होता to mess it up, so it's better to use it with a blender. Just take a little bit on your nose so that you look all fresh. I'm using this Chanel setting powder to set everything in its place. Next up I'm gonna fill my brows. So आप कोई भी step miss कर दो but please ये मत miss करना because brows make a lot of difference. So I'm using this brow pencil from Dior. Let's just fill जहाँ पे भी I see space. Blend it with the spoolie. Don't forget to blend it with the spoolie because वो बहुत अजीब लगता है अगर आप fill कर रहे हो and you're not blending it. For eyes, I'm just using this palette from MAC. I'm gonna use the lightest shade here, ये वाला, so that eyes में थोड़ी सी depth लगे. Like, just take it once, tap off the excess or apply it a little bit, just to give a little depth. And honestly, इसी brush से, same brush से, I will take it on my entire lid, blend it out. I'll take the dark shade of brown. You can do a liner, but I prefer doing this and just take it near your lash line. A little bit. That's it. Same thing on the other side. But I'm gonna use a mascara. I'm using the MAC one. This is Black Stack Mascara. Last step is lipstick. So for lipstick, I'm gonna use a very neutral shade. I'm using this lip kit from Kylie Cosmetics, Angel, and this is the lip liner that comes along. So I'm gonna use the lip liner first. So that's it. Here is the final look. Don't forget to add some accessories because I think that's something that makes the look. Apart from that, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel because if you subscribe, I would know that you are liking my videos and I can create more videos. And I will see you very soon in my next video.